Okay. The word has spread that Tyler has bred. Oh my gosh, honey. The ducks are coming at Jax's stroller. It's pretty popular. Well, those geese, or whatever they are, they want you, honey. Jax is watching. What's going on, Jax? Are we just watching Daddy?
Alright, this is it. Making a dash for it, babes.
Okay. Word is spreading. Oh, they're flocking. Those 3 geese really want him. Ducks, whatever. They want you, honey! The 3 amigos! Oh, we got 3 more. They're gonna hunt you down in your sleep tonight, hon. You say bye, baby. Say bye, Jaxie.